In this video, I'll show you how to add OpenTable reviews to a Wix website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a few different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding. And even see how different features work by clicking around the widget. And here is how the widget looks like on the website. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you haven't already, the first thing you are going to do is click the link in the description below. And that's gonna bring you to this website where you have to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, click on the review section. And right down here, you'll see OpenTable reviews. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now the first thing you need to do is enter your OpenTable restaurants page into this column. Here you can see an example on how to write the link correctly. For this video, I'll just copy this link, but you should remember to enter your own link if you want to use this widget. After that, you can manage the AI generated summary in this option, then choose whether you want to show or hide it by clicking on this switch. And you can go to these options if you want to filter or sort the reviews. Once you've added the link, you can move on to the Layout tab. Here you can choose how you want your reviews to be displayed, whether it is carousel, grid, masonry, and many more. I'll stick with this grid layout. After that, you can go down here to customize the width, columns, rows on desktop and mobile, item spacing, and the Load More button. Now let's move on to the Header tab, where you can display or hide the header and the widget title. If you want to show the header, you can click on this switch, then choose the style and elements that you want to display. Then if you want to show or hide the widget title, you can click on this switch, then edit the title and caption here. Now let's move on to the Review tab, where you can change the style of the reviews and the source. Then you can click this Customize button to select more customizing options and click back once you've done. After setting up the review and the source, let's move on to the Style tab, where you can change the color scheme to light or dark, choose the accent color, and change the font. If you want to customize the style of each element, you can go to these options and change them one by one. Lastly, you can go to the Settings tab to change the language and text of the reviews, enable links, and also change the writing format. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsite. Once you've done that, you should end up on the similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on this gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsite code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. You can also expand the section by clicking and dragging this arrow up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to show you is how to change the font of this widget, because I think the current font doesn't really match my website. So here I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse, then choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget, and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, then paste the code by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste. And click Update. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have OpenTable reviews on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.